Hello everyone, Daniel Yuck here. Thank you all for tuning in today. I appreciate you. Today we're going to dive in and take a close-up look at these needle cartridges called Mast Pro. I will leave links for you down below so you can check these out on your end. Within this video, we're going to take a close-up look at these needles. We're going to test out the performance. At the end of the video, I will relay some opinions and some experiences that I had using these cartridges right here. Should you have any questions at any point throughout this video, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. With that being said, let's dive straight on into this. So these Mast Pro cartridges are from Dragonhawk. Allow me to show you the box around. This is a 50-piece box right here. And it is a slide box there, and this is the smaller box, very similar but just in a pack of 20. Same thing. Allow me to show you some needles up close here, and I have used some of these a bit. So right here off the bat, we have a standard 15 round mag. As you see, this is a 0011 round mag. I'm going to break some off, and I will show you the needles up close as well. Stay tuned for that. This is a standard 7 hollow round liner. Definitely going to show you all that one. Over here we have some more standard round mags. Right here we have a 0011 again, and we have a 009 round liner there. So this pack right here, as you can see, it's a small assortment here. So if you're wanting to test them out, looking for an assortment of these, I would recommend checking these out. I will leave links for you in the description down below. These seem like pretty decent cards at initial use, and from my personal experience, I actually like these cards a lot. I'm going to show you the performance here as well, so be sure to stick around for that. I'm going to do some lining, we're going to pack, so that way we can really get a good idea of how these perform. These are smaller. This is a standard 5 round liner. Let's check that one out as well. So that was the first box right there. Let's go and check out the second box to see what assortment we have available to us here. So here is the bigger box. So in this one, we have some 009 round mags. Over here, we have some more 9 round mags. Right here, we have a standard 3 round liner. Some more standard 3 round liners. Right here, we have standard 7 round shaders. Some more 7 round shaders here, 7 round liners. I do love that purple. That's an awesome looking purple there. And over here we have standard mag. Let me grab one of these. This is just a regular mag here, no curve or anything like that. And down here is the same thing, a 9 mag as well. So that is what comes within this box right here. So I did get a small assortment of needles right here, so that way we can test them out. We can check out the performance of these to see how they behave, to see if there's any duds available here in this small batch that I selected. I'm gonna just try to relay as much information as I possibly can for you all. Now, again, if you have any questions, I'm going to encourage you, drop them below, and I'm gonna do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at these needles here. So this one right here is the standard 7 round shader. Allow me to really zoom in so we can take a closer look here. And right here is 7 round shader. This is the standard 7 round shader right here. Now there's a very little play, if you notice right here on the needle tip where the needle actually comes out of. There's very little room for any play. For those who are curious, I'm actually trying to go out of my way to wiggle it, and it just doesn't. Whenever cartridges have that little play, I love that, because For those who have experienced some sort of needle wobble when they're pulling their lines, or for those who like to really hang their cartridge on out, this right here, that little room for play is everything. That is going to make or break a line. So for those who are curious how much play there is, that is how much we have right there. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit more here. So you can see it's a small amount of movement, especially when the needle is coming out around here. We're on front. Let's take a closer look at another needle here. This one right here is the standard 9 mag. And these are the cartridges right here. Sorry that I didn't show you the other cartridge on the other one, but this is what they look like right here up close. And you can see that this needle point, or this mag right here, is just a straight mag, no curves or anything like that. And this is what the mags look like. This is the cartridge up close right here. This is the membrane mechanics. Even with this one as well, in terms of play, same thing. I really have to go out of my way to make them wiggle. At first impressions, these cartridges do seem like they're gonna perform decent. Granted, we are gonna go and check out their lining, we're gonna check out some shading, and we're gonna check out everything that we would need for a tattoo. I'm gonna check all that out within this video. As you can see, we have a 009 round liner. Forgive me for that. But in terms of performance, we are gonna check that out. Same thing. Very little room for much wiggle wobble. No play there. So at first glance right here, upon inspecting, they actually seem like pretty decent cards. By the end of this video, I'll actually be able to confirm and tell you what I feel about them. Allow me to show you a couple of more here. This is going to be a standard 15 round mag. So there is a purple needle. All have the same color, same mechanics. However, what changes is the needle configuration. And again, very little room for wobble. All of them are demonstrating that sort of design. So it does seem as though the creators paid attention to detail on each and every configuration. This is actually a needle configuration. Actually, all of these here that I'm showing you seem to be very nice. I would use them within my mandalas as well, especially if they perform great, which we will know by the end of this video. So this is that round mag right there. Let me show you a hollow round liner. So this is a standard hollow round liner. Same design. The only thing that changes is the top part here. Let me see if I can actually show you. Here's another view of the hollow round liner. We're going to test this one out as well. See how it looks when we line versus a regular liner. So this is the 7 hollow round liner. The tip is a little bit difficult to show here, and I apologize for that, but that is the 7 hollow round liner. Right here is a standard 5 round liner. This one has a little bit more play than some of the ones that I have opened right now. This is the standard 5-round liner. We're going to check out the lining with that one as well. And the standard 3-round liner. Now I'm curious to see if this one has a lot of play as well. Actually, no. Surprisingly, no. Doesn't have as much as a 5. So the one that has the most play that I've experienced right now is the 5. Other than that, all of them seem pretty stable. I'm excited to check out the performance. So let's switch on over to a different angle and let's check that out so we can conclude this video.
I would like to conclude the video by relaying some pros and cons. I want to relay some of my final opinions on how I felt about these Mast Pro tattoo needles here for you all. Starting with what I don't like about these needles, for me, from my personal experience, there's actually very little that I don't like about these needles in terms of performance, stability, ink storage, ink flow, everything that I would want from my needles. All of the fundamentals and basics do check out. So therefore, with the Mast Pro tattoo needles, there's very little that I dislike about them. If I were to say something that I dislike, I'm kind of reaching right now, because at this specific moment, with the experience that I have here with these needles, they've checked out. I didn't find any duds. Everything performed. Needle stays sharp. I'm able to pack. I'm able to line. I'm able to do all of the above and more with these needles right here. What I do like about these needles is almost entirely everything about them, from the design to the stability, the build of them, the material, the needle stays sharp, the performance, everything checks out for me on my end. I'm able to pack, color, black, I'm able to stipple, I'm able to line. I can do everything with these Mast Pro tattoo needles with the appropriate configurations. If you are on the market for new tattoo needles, I would highly recommend to check these out. I will leave links for you in the description below so you can do so on your end. If I didn't touch base on anything specific that you may have wanted to know about throughout this video, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. I also have social medias all under the same name as this YouTube channel. I would truly appreciate the support on there as well. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me and ring that bell, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. Thank you for tuning in yet again. You have a great day.